When we think of rain, we imagine cool droplets of water falling from the sky. Rain nourishes the land, fills rivers, and keeps life on Earth thriving. But what if, instead of water, it rained fire? It sounds like something out of a nightmare or a science fiction movie. But this phenomenon is completely real. There are places on Earth where fire falls from the sky instead of water. This terrifying event is known as fire rain, and it's as dangerous as it sounds. But what exactly causes it? How can flames and molten debris fall from the heavens like raindrops? Let's explore the incredible and terrifying science behind fire rain. 1. The science behind fire rain. Fire rain isn't actual flames falling from the clouds like a reversed wildfire. Instead, it happens when burning debris, molten rock, or fiery embers are carried into the sky and then fall back down. This occurs due to volcanic eruptions, wildfires, or even meteorological conditions. It's a rare but extremely dangerous event that can set entire regions ablaze in seconds. Some places experience fire rain so often that people have adapted to living with it. But where does this fiery phenomenon happen? 2. Fire rain from volcanic eruptions. One of the most common sources of fire rain is volcanoes. When a volcano erupts, it spews ash, molten lava, and burning rocks high into the atmosphere. These burning fragments can be carried by the wind and rain down as fiery projectiles. This has been observed in Hawaii, Indonesia, and parts of South America, where volcanoes are highly active. During the Mount Vesuvius eruption in 79 AD, fire rain buried the city of Pompeii in molten ash. More recently, Mount Etna and Kilauea have sent burning debris falling onto nearby towns. Some volcanic eruptions are so powerful that they can create firestorms, which generate their own weather systems. These storms can create fire tornadoes, launching flames and burning materials into the air. When these fiery embers fall back down, it looks like it's raining fire from the sky. 3. Fire rain from wildfires. Massive wildfires can also lead to fire rain, especially in California, Australia, and Canada. When intense flames reach high temperatures, they generate superheated updrafts. These updrafts lift burning embers and ash into the air, carrying them for miles. As the wind shifts, these embers fall like fiery raindrops, igniting new fires in their path. This creates what firefighters call spot fires, where new blazes start far from the original wildfire. In some cases, fire rain can spread wildfires faster than firefighters can control them. This is why some wildfires seem to jump across roads, rivers, and fire breaks. The fire is literally raining down from above. During Australia's Black Summer wildfires, people reported seeing fire embers falling from the sky like rain. The intense heat even created pyrocumulus clouds, which generated lightning that started even more fires. Fire rain from wildfires is one of the reasons why firefighters struggle to contain massive blazes. Even when they think they have a fire under control, a sudden fire rain event can restart it miles away. 4. Fire rain from space events. Believe it or not, fire rain can also come from space. When meteor showers or asteroid fragments enter Earth's atmosphere, they burn up. If the fragments are large enough, they can survive re-entry and crash into the ground as fireballs. This happened in 1908 in Siberia, when a massive explosion, believed to be a meteor strike, caused fire rain across the region. The impact flattened over 800 square miles of forest, and survivors reported seeing fire falling from the sky for hours. Scientists believe that if a larger asteroid ever struck Earth, it could cause global fire rain, igniting entire continents. 5. Fire rain from chemical explosions. Sometimes, fire rain isn't natural, it's human-made. During wars, industrial accidents, and explosions, burning debris and chemicals are launched into the air. When they fall back down, it creates a fire rain effect, spreading destruction even further. One of the most infamous cases was the bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945. Survivors described seeing black rain mixed with fire falling from the sky. This was caused by burning debris, soot, and radioactive particles mixing in the atmosphere. Industrial explosions, like oil refinery fires or chemical plant disasters, can also create fire rain. These events are rare but can be devastating, burning everything in their path. 6. The most famous fire rain events in history. Throughout history, people have witnessed and recorded terrifying cases of fire rain. In 1666, during the Great Fire of London, burning embers fell across the city, igniting more buildings. During the 1883 eruption of Krakatoa, fire rain burned ships and villages over 50 miles away from the volcano. In 2018, Hawaii's Kilauea volcano erupted so violently that fire rain covered nearby homes in molten rock. Fire rain is also mentioned in mythology and religious texts, often described as a sign of divine wrath. Some historians believe that reports of fire falling from the heavens in ancient times may have been real fire rain events. 7. Could fire rain happen anywhere? Fire rain is most common near volcanoes, wildfire zones, and industrial sites. However, under the right conditions, it could happen anywhere. If a large enough meteor shower hit the Earth, fire rain could occur worldwide. Massive wildfires, volcanic activity, or chemical disasters could also trigger fire rain unexpectedly. This is why scientists and emergency responders closely monitor weather, volcanoes, and atmospheric conditions. 8. Can we predict and prevent fire rain? While fire rain is difficult to predict, scientists can monitor conditions that make it more likely. By tracking volcanic eruptions, wildfire behavior, and meteor activity, they can issue early warnings. In wildfire-prone areas, firefighters use controlled burns and fire breaks to prevent the spread of embers. Volcanologists study lava flows and ash plumes to determine whether fire rain is likely after an eruption. By understanding how fire rain forms, we can take steps to protect people and property from its effects. 9. What would happen if fire rain became more common? If fire rain events became frequent, cities and forests would be at constant risk of burning. Fire-resistant buildings, emergency shelters, and advanced firefighting technology would become essential for survival. Some scientists warn that climate change could increase wildfire-driven fire rain events. As the planet gets hotter, wildfires are becoming bigger, longer, and more unpredictable. If fire rain events increase, people living in fire-prone areas may need to adapt their lifestyles to avoid constant danger. 10. Final thoughts. The terrifying beauty of fire rain. Fire rain is one of nature's most dramatic and destructive phenomena. Whether caused by volcanoes, wildfires, meteor showers, or explosions, it is a reminder of nature's power. Understanding fire rain helps scientists predict, study, and prepare for extreme environmental events. It also serves as a warning: fire is one of the most unpredictable and unstoppable forces on Earth. If you found this topic fascinating, follow for more incredible insights into Earth's most extreme weather and natural phenomena. Stay curious, stay prepared, and continue exploring the wonders and dangers of our planet.